Everyone, welcome to the session. So this is the first session of sequences and series. Alright, so in these sessions I'll be discussing about arithmetic progressions, geometric progressions and harmonic progressions and some other kind of series as well. Okay, let's begin. So before I start with the session, let me just tell you a bit about myself. My name is Aishwarya and I have done my masters in maths from University of Delhi. Prior to that, I did my graduation from Miranda House, University of Delhi. I have more than 4 years of training experience and I have trained for various exams like CAT, GRE and GMAT earlier. Okay. So at Unacademy, we provide you two kinds of subscriptions. That is, one is the plus subscription, other is the iconic subscription. So if you go for the plus subscription, you will have access to the classes from India's top educators. All the classes are live and interactive, so you can get the doubts clarified within the class itself. Also, you will be given the notes after the end of each and every class. You will have access to the live mock test and quizzes are conducted. You will have access to all these material. Okay. Along with that, we provide you one kind of subscription, that is iconic subscription. So in the iconic subscription, you will have all the benefits of the plus subscription. But along with that, you will also get personal attention from your educator. OMET's preparation will be there and expert guidelines about any MBA related query, or if you want the test analysis of any mock test, then it will be shared with you. Okay. Now, yes. So these are the prices of our CAT plus subscription. So the price for 12-month subscription is 17,500 and the price for 24-month subscription is 21,000. So over this fees, you can get 10% off if you use the code AAISH10. Okay. Now these are the prices of iconic subscription. So for 12 months, the price is 30,000 and for 24 months, the price is 41,000. Over this fees also you can get 10% off if you use the code AAISH10. Alright, let's begin. Okay, so hi everyone, can you guys just type a hi in the chat box? Let me know who all are attending the session. Okay, so in the topic sequences and series, we'll be learning about arithmetic progressions, geometric progressions, harmonic progressions and some other special progressions. Okay, so since this is the first class of progressions, I'll begin with the basic concepts of arithmetic progression. Okay, yes, hi Janvi, welcome to the session. Okay, so we'll begin with the basic concepts of arithmetic progression. Okay, now what is an arithmetic progression? You can get an arithmetic progression if you keep on adding a constant term to the preceding term. Let's see how. So for example, if I have a term, let us take the first term of an arithmetic progression as 2. Okay, so this is my first term. If I add any constant value to it, okay, let us take some constant. I am going to take the constant as 5. So this is the first term of my sequence. I'll denote it by A1. I'll add 5 to it. Next term will be 7. This term will be denoted by A2. Then again I am going to add plus 5 to it. I will get 12. So this is the next term. Again I'll add plus 5. I'll get another term, that is 17. Okay. So likewise I can keep on making my progression. I can keep on making the sequence by adding 5 to the previous term. Okay, so this is an example of an arithmetic progression. So you get an arithmetic progression if you keep on adding a constant value to the preceding term. Okay, I hope what is the basic definition of arithmetic progression is clear to you all. Now let us understand a few terms that are involved in questions of arithmetic progression. So we have a term, first term, Okay, nth term, okay, sum, and we have common difference. Okay, so let us understand what is the meaning of these terms. Now, first term, as this term is suggesting, is the first term of your sequence. Okay, so this is actually your A1, first term of the sequence. Okay, now nth term means any term in the middle. You can take sixth term, fifth term, second term, 100th term, depending on the number of terms in the AP. So nth term is any term you can take, sixth term, seventh term, any term. Sum. Now sum of an AP means the sum of each and every term of an arithmetic progression. So for example, in this progression, this will be equal to 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus 17 plus and so on. Alright, so I hope the term sum is clear. Now the very important term common difference. Now as this term is suggesting, and in this progression, as you have seen, that we are adding 5 to each and every term here to get the next term. So this 5 is my common difference. Okay, now this common difference could either be positive or this could be negative. If it is positive, like in this case, if this common difference is negative, then the series will keep on, the sequence will keep on decreasing. Okay, so I hope the basic definition of all these terms are clear. Now, in most of the formulas, we denote the first term of an AP by a small a. Nth term is denoted by AN, okay, or you can denote it by TN, okay. You can choose either of the notations. Sum is denoted by SN, capital S in the subscript SN. Common difference is denoted by small d, okay. Yes, guys, please give me a thumbs up if all these terms and the basic definition of arithmetic progression is clear. Okay, great. Let's move on. So now we are going to discuss some important formulas related to arithmetic progression. Okay, so we know what an arithmetic progression is now. So I will take, let us take any progression. This way, this will be A1, then A2, A3, A4 till AN. I'll denote the last term by AN because there are n number of terms in the AP. Okay. Now in short, I can write arithmetic progression as AP also. Okay. Let's see. So if A is the first term of the arithmetic progression, D is the common difference, and N is the total number of terms in the progression, then the nth term, or you can say the value of AN, is given by A plus N minus 1D. Okay, so this is the formula by which you can calculate the value of nth term of an AP. Okay, let's continue. The next formula is sum of n terms. Okay, now if I add all these terms, I'll get the sum. But it is not possible to keep on adding all the terms of an AP. Suppose if you have an AP of 100 terms, then if we keep on adding each term, this will take a lot of time. So for that, we have a formula which is denoted by Sn. Sum of n terms, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so this is the formula. Now if I write this formula here, let us denote this Sn by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. This is the formula. Now in this formula, if I make certain changes, in the place of 2a I will write a plus a into n minus 1d. Alright, now this can further be written as n by 2a. Now what is this? A plus n minus 1d is same as the nth term. So if this AP has n terms in total, this is actually your last term. Okay, so therefore we get this formula that Sn, the sum of n terms, is also equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. So if the last term is given to you, you can use this formula. Otherwise, you can use this formula. Alright, are these three formulas clear to everyone here? Okay, so please make sure that you understand all these formulas clearly, because this will be very important when you solve questions. Okay, all right, let us move ahead then. Okay, now we have another term, that is arithmetic mean. So as you know, mean means average, right? Mean is the same thing as average. So arithmetic mean and average are also the same thing. Okay, now average of an AP, like if suppose if you have three terms, let us take the three terms as ABC. If you have to find their arithmetic mean or the average, okay, so the average of their three numbers will be equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, average of three numbers is A plus B plus C by 2. Likewise, average of an AP or the arithmetic mean of an AP will be equal to sum of all terms upon number of terms. Okay, now what is the sum of all terms of an AP? It is denoted by SN, by this, already discussed here, right? And the number of terms is N. So you can even use this formula, that SN by N is equal to the arithmetic mean of a sequence. Alright, yeah, is this formula clear to everyone here? Is there any doubt till now? Yes, Chetna and Janvi, is this clear? Clear. Okay, let us continue. Okay, so now I am going to discuss the next point. It says the average of second term from the beginning and second term from the end will be equal to the arithmetic mean. Okay, so let us understand this concept also. Let us take an AP. So I am going to take one AP, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, so this is an AP. Clearly the first term A is equal to 10. The common difference is also equal to 10. Okay, this is my AP. Last term is 70. Total number of terms is N, that is 7. Okay, so what is the average of this AP? If I find the average of this AP, this will be equal to 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 70 by 7. Okay, yeah, please find this average. What is this value? (280 by 7), so this will give you 40. So average of this AP is equal to 40. Okay, now if I take the first term, just take the first term and the last term, find the average. Yes, correct, Ankur, it is 40. So if I take the first term and last term, the average will be given by 10 plus 70 by 2, again 40. Okay, now let us pick up this term, second term and second last term. I will get 20 plus 60 by 2, that is again 40. Okay, now let us pick up the third term and last third term. Okay, 30 and 50. What is the average of 30 and 50? 30 plus 50 by 2, this is also going to give me 40. And the middle term is again 40. Okay, so what I am trying to tell you guys over here, that if you take the kth term from the beginning and the kth term from the end, okay, average of those two terms will be same as the arithmetic mean. Okay, so this is a property of an arithmetic mean. Also the median, the middle value is always equal to your arithmetic mean. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. Now whenever you have any equally spaced sequence, okay, so often in some of the questions you will find this term, equally spaced sequence. Okay, so equally spaced sequence is nothing but an arithmetic progression, because each term is each term differs by a constant d. Alright, so I hope this concept is clear. Let's move on to the next one. It says if three numbers are there in an arithmetic progression, the middle number is called the arithmetic mean. Okay, now as we can see clearly over here it is given about three numbers. I can take 7 numbers, then the middle number is 40. This was equal to the arithmetic mean. So this result is actually true for any number of terms. If you take 3 terms, 5 terms, 7, 9, 11, any number of terms, the middle number is always equal to your arithmetic mean if the numbers are in AP. Alright, is there any doubt in your mind regarding any of these 4 concepts? Yes, Ankur, definitely you can write. Okay, instead of finding the sum, if you can find the middle term of an AP having odd term, then definitely you can find the average. Okay, now this you said about the odd terms. Suppose if I have even number of terms, then I can take the 2 middlemost terms and find their average. That will be the answer. Okay, but mostly in most of the questions it is easier to find the average of first and last term, that is equal to your AP arithmetic mean. Alright, yes, for even terms I'll explain this to you. So if I have even terms, let us take 6 terms, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Okay, so pick up the middle 2 terms, find their average. 35, so 35 will be the arithmetic mean of the AP. Alright, yes, Ankur, is your doubt clarified? Is there any other question regarding this? Yes, any doubt? Okay, alright, so let us discuss a few points. Now, if in any question it is given that 3 numbers are there in an AP, their sum is this, product is this, find the numbers. Okay, or if I have 4 numbers are given in the AP, 5 numbers are given in the AP, so then you can use these points to simplify your calculations. Okay, so what you can do is that if 3 numbers are given in AP, always take the numbers as A minus D, A and A plus D, where A is your, A is the terms, A minus D, A and A plus D are the terms, and D is the common difference. Alright, likewise, if it is given that 4 numbers are given in the AP, you can take the numbers as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. So here 2D is your common difference. So this will help you in simplifying the calculations. Otherwise, if you want, you can take it as A, then next number is A plus D, then next number is A plus 2D, then A plus 3D and so on. This will also get you the same answer. But if you take this, you will definitely save some time. Okay. Now, if it is given that you have 5 numbers in the AP, then you can take the numbers as A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. So here the common difference is D. Yes. Is this point clear in everyone? Is this point clear to everyone here? Yes, Janvi, Chetna, Ankur, everybody else watching this class, is this clear? Yes, okay, all right. Okay, so now I am going to move on to the questions related to arithmetic progressions. First question. Okay, please try this question. The basic concept questions are there. Solve this question and tell me the answer quickly. You have 1 minute. Yeah, please solve. Yes. Need answers from everyone. Please try this one quickly. Okay. Yes, let us discuss this question. So it is given that first term is 8, common difference is 5. So I have the value of A as 8, the value of D is 5. Find the 11th term. So A11 or the 11th term is given by A plus N minus 1D. So here I am going to take N as 11 as I have to find the 11th term. So this will be equal to A11 will be equal to A is 8. N minus 1 is 11 minus 1, that is 10 into D, 5. So the correct answer will be 58. Correct. Your answers are correct. Okay. I hope this question is clear. Direct application of the formula of nth term of an AP. Okay. Let us move on to the next one. Here is the question. Please try to solve this. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Find the number of terms in an AP in which the first and last term are 6 and 44. So if I take the first term of this AP as 6 and last term as 44. Okay. Common difference D is equal to 2. We have to find number of terms. So this is the nth term. The last term, nth term is given by 44. Okay, so let us take there are n terms. So this 44 will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Let us put the values. A is 6, n minus 1 is what I need to find, D is 2. This is equal to 44. So if this will go there, so this will be 44 minus 6, that is 38 by 2 is equal to n minus 1. Upon simplification, I will get the value of n as 20. So there are 20 terms in this arithmetic progression. Okay, alright. 20 is the correct answer. I hope this is clear. Let us move on to the next question. Third question. Please try this one. Okay. Alright, let us discuss. So 6th and the 10th term are. So 6th term means A6 is 22. So from here I can say the value of a plus 5d is 22. The 10th term is 38. So from here I can say a plus 9d is equal to 38. Find the first term and the common difference. So clearly I have these two equations. Let us subtract the first equation from the second one. So I will get the value of 4d as 16. So d will be equal to 4. Common difference is 4. Let us put this value in any of these equations. If you will solve, you will get the value of a as 2. So the first term is 2 and the common difference is 4. Yes, correct. Okay, let us move on to the next one. This question, please try. Sorry, this was the question. Sorry, please solve. Okay. Alright. Let us discuss. So the 12th term, 14th term and the last term are given 25, 31 and 37. Okay. So the 12th term means A12. This is equal to A plus 11D. This is given to be 25. And we have A14. This is equal to A plus 13D. This is equal to 31. So if I subtract these two equations, first and second, so subtracting equation 1 from the second, I'll get the value of 2d as 6. Hence the value of d is 3. Okay. So the value of d is 3 here. Let us put this value in these equations. I'll get the value of a. So if you will simplify, this will be equal to 25 minus 33. So from here I get the value of a as minus 8. So the first term is minus 8. Okay. Now I have to calculate the number of terms. So for that I know the last term. So the last term is given by a plus n minus 1d is equal to 37. Now a is minus 8, n is what I need to find, d is 3. Okay. So upon simplification you will get the value of n as 60. Alright, I hope this question is clear. Yes, so you guys have given the correct answer. Harshvardhan, Ankur, Diya, your answers are correct. Yes, Chetna, is this question clear to you? Janvi, is this question clear? Yeah, Aditi, hi, welcome to the session. Please try to solve the next question now. This one. Please try this question. Okay. Yes. Need answers from everyone. Please solve. Okay. Okay, let's solve. So the first term and the last term given are 9 and 69. So the first term, let us take A as is 9. The last term L is 69. If sum of the terms, so the value of Sn is given to be 468, find the number of terms and common difference. Okay, so in the beginning of the session, we discussed one formula of the sum when last term is given. So when the last term is given, we use this formula. N by 2 into A plus L. This is the formula for sum. So I'll put the values here. I'll get 468 is equal to N by 2 A plus L. This is 9 plus 69. Okay, so if you will simplify this, we will get the value of N as 12. Hence, the total number of terms in this sequence is 12. Now, what is the common difference? For common difference, I can use this last term. Okay, so A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 69, where A is 9, N minus 1 means 11, D is 69. So from here I'll get the value of D as 60 by 11. Okay. Yes. Is this clear? Yeah, D is 60 by 11, not 12. Okay. Yes. Is the question clear? Yes, Harshvardhan, Chetna, I think you guys did some calculation mistake. Assume this as 12 in the denominator. Okay. Alright, let's move on to the next question. This is the next question. Please try to solve this one. Okay. Alright, let us discuss. So it is given that sum of three numbers which are in AP is 24. So like we discussed earlier, whenever it is given that there are three numbers in an AP, we take the numbers as A minus D, A and A plus D. Okay. Now let us add these numbers. So upon adding, I will get A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 24. Upon simplification, this is 3A is 24. Hence, A will be equal to 8. So this is the first term. Also, it is given that sum of the squares is 200. So to know the numbers, I need the value of D also. So the sum of squares means A minus D whole square plus A square plus A plus D whole square is equal to 200. Okay, so let us simplify. Let us put the value of A as 8. So I get this as A square plus D square minus 2AD plus A square plus A square plus D square plus 2AD is equal to 200. Okay, now these two terms will get cancelled and I will get 3A square plus 2D square is equal to 200. If I put the value of A as 8, this is 3 into 64. So 2d square will be equal to 200 minus 192. The value of d square is equal to 8. Okay. Now the value of d square will be equal to 4. So now I will have two values for d. So d could be either positive or negative 2. Right? So d will be plus minus 2. Okay, so let us consider the terms. So if I take the value of d as plus 2, okay, if the value is d as plus 2, so the numbers will be 8, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, if I take the value as minus 2, then the numbers will be same. Okay, so the numbers will be same. I hope this is clear. Yes, so you guys, all of you have got the correct answer. Great. Let's move on to the next question. Yeah, this is the next question. Please try this one. Okay. 4. Yes. So the question says 13 times the 13th term of an AP, means 13 into A13, is equal to 7 times the 7th term, means 7 into A7. Right? Find the, what is the 20th term? We need to find the value of A20. Yes, any answer yet? Okay, let us solve this. So we have 13 into A13 can be written as A plus 12D is equal to A7 can be written as A plus 6D. Okay, so we have this equation. Let us simplify this. So I will get 13A plus 13 into 12 is 156D is equal to 7A plus 42D. Okay. Further simplification, this side, this will be equal to 6A is equal to 42D minus 156D. Okay, so this is, from here I get 6A is equal to minus 114D. Okay, further simplifying, I'll get the value of A as minus 114D upon 6, which is equal to minus 19D. Okay. So I got the value of A as minus 19D. Now let's see what is asked in the question. We have to find the 20th term, that is A20. Now you can write A20 as A plus 19D. Let us put the values. A is equal to minus 19D plus 19D. So this value is equal to 0. Hence the 20th term is equal to 0 in this AP. Alright. Yeah, is this question clear? Yes, Chetna, Harshvardhan, Ankur, Dia, Aditi, is this question clear? Janvi? Okay, alright. Next one. Please try this question. The first term of an AP consisting of 30 terms is 10. So we have the value of A as 10. The common difference is 50. The value of D is 50. Find the ratio of sum of 10 terms of the AP. Means S10 to the sum of last 30 terms. Okay, last 30 term, the terms are 30. So last 30 means all the terms. S30. Okay, you have to find this ratio. Please try solving. Yes, any answer yet? Okay, let us solve. So S10 will be the formula of Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Right? This is the formula. So I'll calculate S10 first. So what is the value of S10? 10 by 2 into 2a. A is given as 10 plus n minus 1. So n will be taken as 10 here. So this will be 9 into 50. Okay. Similarly, we can find the value of S30. S30 will be 30 by 2 into twice of 10 plus n minus 1, that is 29 into 50. Okay, so these are the two values of S10 and S30. So since I have to find the ratio, let us divide these values. Okay, so simplification, further simplification, 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So I'll get this value as 20 plus 450 upon 3 into 20 plus 29 into 5 will be 9 5 is 45. 1450. Okay, so these are the values. Okay, so if I simplify this further, this will be equal to 470 upon 3 into 1470. Alright. So the ratio will be 47 by 441. Okay, yeah, is this question clear? Yes, is there any doubt in this question? No. Alright, so this was the last question of today's class. I hope all the basic concepts of arithmetic progression is clear to everyone here. Okay, so in the next class of progressions that is going to happen tomorrow at 8 p.m. I'll be discussing the basic concepts of geometric progression now. Okay, alright. So I hope this class was useful for you guys. So now I'm going to give you some information about the students who have more than 99 percentile in CAT 2020. So you guys can also join this list for CAT 2021 if you start with the prep as soon as possible with us. So all these students were from the Iconic subscription. Okay. Now this is the information about the batches that are going to start. So we are going to start a new batch from 14th of April. So in this batch, Mr. Ashish Kumar, Mr. Ravi Handa, Mr. Ronak Kumar Shah and Mrs. Harpreet Kaur are going to take the classes. Okay, so please do join this batch. Also, there is a new batch going to start from 17th of April. And a new batch was started from 12th of April. Okay. Now, this is the Unacademy Combat, the weekly scholarship test that is conducted on every Sunday at 12 noon. Okay. So, please register for this test free of cost using the code AAISH10. If you give the test and get a good score, then you definitely will get a good scholarship. Okay. Now, the prices are going to increase on the Unacademy platform for both the Plus and Iconic subscriptions. Now for the Plus courses, the price will go up from 17,500 to 22,550 for 12 months. And for 24 months, this price will go up from 21,000 to 32,800. Likewise, the price will increase from 30,000 to 39,500 in case of Iconic subscription for 12 months. And for 24 months, the price will go up from 41,000 to 67,000. So if you are planning to take the subscription in the near future, then it is a good opportunity for you guys to take the subscription right now because the prices are going to increase. Okay. So this is the Ask a Doubt feature, a wonderful feature of the Unacademy learning app that you can make full use of. Just take the picture of the question you want the solution for and submit the picture on our platform. Then our educators will solve the question and share the detailed explanation with you. Okay. Now the steps to take the subscription are easy. Just go to Unacademy, just go to Google Play Store and install the Unacademy learning app. As soon as you do this, select CAT as the CAT as your goal and click on Get Subscription. So as soon as you do this, you will have to select the subscription. Please remember to apply the code AAISH10. So using this code, you can get 10% off. Also using this code, you can unlock as many special classes as you want. So you can unlock my special classes as well as the special classes of other educators using this code. You can also get access to the free mock test and quizzes that happen on the platform. Alright. So please make use of this opportunity using the code. Now these are the YouTube channels, Unacademy CAT for MBA. I take classes for LRDI on this channel and the classes of QA are on this channel at 8 p.m. daily. These classes are at 6 p.m. So please join me for the course of LRDI and QA on these channels. Okay, please take the subscribe to these channels to get access to my classes. Also, I post the links of all my YouTube as well as special classes on this Telegram channel. So please make sure that you join this Telegram channel to get access to all the classes. Alright. Thank you guys for attending the session. I hope the session was useful. So we'll meet tomorrow again at 8 p.m. to discuss geometric progression in detail. Alright. Thank you.